this is Ian with Friends Iron, protecting families, protecting pack. I'm going to do a review on the Wirefy. So this is the Wirefy shrink spade connectors. I have it connected to my stuff right now, and I put the females on the source because there's power there, so you want to make sure they don't touch. These could touch, no problem, but that's kind of how I do things. And then we'll put on the red one and crimp it. So let me show you how it works. So here's the two lines that just stripped with the vice grip here. The perfect jaws, so you fit just right. I'm going to slip these in here, right there. Okay, now once they're in, I make sure the spades are flat, and it goes flat with my crimper, and we should be good. So I'm gonna kind of over exaggerate here just so you can see. Hopefully I don't. It's kind of in a weird angle, so I might have to redo this. And if you need to, there's a little lever in the bottom to reset it. Just push that, and let's go. Make sure everything's lined back up. And it sits right on there. There. I use two hands. There it sits right there in the center. Shove it in. And it's the perfect crimp every time. And all you need is a heat gun, which I'll do another video on when I heat it up, and that should shrink it. Alright, thanks for watching.